Congratulations on choosing a new floor from Empire today. I'm here to explain what to expect next and how to prepare for your installation. There are 3 things you must do before your installation. Then Empire will take care of the rest. First, we ask that you clear small and breakable items from the rooms where the new floors will be installed. Also, clear the tops of your dressers, desks, and bookcases. Anything that needs to be moved to install the new floors. Please be sure electronics and major appliances will be disconnected in rooms where floors will be installed. If we're installing floors in a closet, remove hanging clothes and everything on the floor of the closet, including items on low shelves. Next, plan for an adult to be present during the entire installation. It's also important to have a secure area away from the installation for your children, pets, and valuables. Finally, depending on how far in advance your installation is scheduled, we may check with you to confirm your appointment. So, if you receive a confirmation request via phone call, text, and/or email, it's important to follow the instructions to confirm, or your installation may be rescheduled. There's a lot that happens at Empire to prepare for your custom installation. We start by selecting the right crew. Unlike many competitors, Empire has direct, individual relationships with installers, allowing us to handpick the right team for each and every job. Your installation may start anytime between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. You'll receive a call to let you know when the installers are scheduled to arrive. Please keep in mind that the arrival time is only an estimate, and the installers may arrive anytime between the 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. window. We appreciate your patience if the installers are not there exactly by the start of the estimated time. When the installers arrive, they will verify the product and color with you, and then they will walk through the installation areas and answer any questions you may have about the work. Be prepared to pay any outstanding balance on the day of installation. As part of our all-inclusive installation services, the installers will carefully move standard furniture items. Your installer may need to remove your doors, and we will rehang them after installation. If the new carpet is thicker, you may need to trim them later. Once the rooms are cleared, installers will get to work, first removing your old floor and hauling away the debris from your home. Occasionally, there are circumstances discovered after removal of existing flooring that require additional work. If this happens, we will work with you to get approval and determine costs, so your installation can be completed as quickly as possible. Then, they'll install any necessary padding or underlayment and complete the installation of your floor with all appropriate materials. These experienced pros treat every installation with precision, care, and pride. The installers will clean the area where the installation was completed and replace all of the furniture that they moved. Before the installers leave, they will walk through the rooms with you to be sure the job is done exactly to your satisfaction. Empire Today's mission is to make getting beautiful new floors easy. We want you to know you're in good hands, and we will take care of your home like it's our own. And again, it's important that prior to installation, you clear small items from your room, arrange for an adult to be present, select a safe place for kids, pets, and valuables, be prepared to pay any outstanding balance, and confirm the appointment if you receive a request from Empire to do so. If you have any questions or need to reschedule your installation, please call 800-588-2300. We look forward to serving you soon, and thank you for choosing Empire today. You're gonna love your new floors.